girl.
Your favorite bitches in the world.
So what's up?
You know, it's Erica, of course, your favorite girl in the world. And you have...
I'm Kayla.
And I'm your girl, Elle. And we are your lovely hosts of Ratchet CHATZ podcast. Welcome back, everybody.
And this is a Ratchet CHATZ show. This is a Ratchet show. We talk ratchet with some ratchet girls with a splash of classiness, as you can see.
With a splash of hood. Just a splash of hood. But yes, welcome back, everybody. We are your host of Ratchet CHATZ. You have tuned in for another amazing episode.
Exactly.
So y'all don't fuck with the show. If you new to the show, we just gonna get everybody started off with just a little bit of cheer, just to get the night going. I don't know what kind of week y'all had, but we all know it's been a long one. So with that being said, if you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your bitch will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. Clap your ass. Clap your ass. Clap your ass. And welcome.
Welcome to Ratchet
Ratchet
CHATZ.
chair.
And you
I hope
know,
some hand claps.
y'all better have some hand claps.
Yes, comment with hand claps if you know the Ratchet cheer. So,
And you know, before we get started, I just want to tell you where y'all can catch us. And so if you missed tonight's episode, you want to tell a friend, tell a friend. You know what you can do? Tell them to go to YouTube, because the new episode will be up tomorrow. And this Ratchet_CHATZ with a Z podcast. It's very simple.
and you heard that right. Podcast. P-O-T. Don't
Not
put
podcast. Pot.
This is a
Podcast.
And why is it a podcast,
We
ladies?
smoke pot on the show.
What do we smoke?
Weed.
We drink on the show.
Pot.
So,
Weed.
with that being said,
Herbs. The green, man.
Roll on it.
get your blunt, get your drink, get your shot, and
Put them motherfucking kids to sleep.
Because they don't want to see all this.
This is 40 minutes of grown folk entertainment. So, with that being said, what is the topic tonight, ladies?
Good dick energy.
Get back in there and tell them what the topic of the night
Bring
is.
it right back again.
Bring it back.
Bring it back. Bring it
Bring
back.
Sick
Mm.
energy.
Okay. And if you are a follower, you know we refer to dick as a link.
You might say link actually for the rest of the show.
We're basically gonna say link the rest of the show. So for y'all who don't follow us, link is dick. That's how we refer to dick as link.
Exactly.
So,
Link,
you fuck with us,
basket.
you gonna know. If you fuck with this topic, comment the dick emoji. We want to know that this is something that you're tonight.
And guys, y'all can learn something tonight.
Fellas,
You might have it. You just might.
So
Or maybe you don't.
So y'all, dick
Shout out
emojis
to
and
our
hand claps. We got hand claps. Hey. Comment for our followers who are new to the show. Please comment. We do respond to y'all's comments. DM us questions if y'all want us to talk about on next week's show. We love to talk about our
And
followers'
we try to
questions.
answer most of our questions at the end of the show. So if we don't answer your question right away, we will probably answer that motherfucker at the end. So if you stick around throughout the whole show, you gonna know.
If they tune the fuck in, they're gonna know.
They're gonna know.
Period.
Period.
So
key.
the topics
And
tonight
if you
are.
don't watch it to the end of the show, your mother's gonna get fucked in her asshole.
So before we even get into our juicy fucking topic tonight, we just wanna, shout out my nigga Nipsey Hussle. Rest in peace, Nipsey. We just wanna, shout him out. We do know his homecoming is tomorrow, and we just wanna shout out him, his family, his mama, Lauren, his children. Rest in peace to Nipsey. We loved him. We fucked with him. He was a great person. The world feel it. We all feel it. It's just a fucked up situation, and rest in peace.
And we're wearing blue tonight.
And we're wearing blue tonight for Nipsey.
So we don't want to bring the mood down and make it sad.
Honestly, it's a sad situation,
This shit back
but it's so happy to see how much love he got, and it makes you feel happy, and he good.
He's
So
good. So if you fuck with my nigga Nipsey,
it
starts tonight, and we gonna dedicate tonight's show to my nigga Nipsey Hussle. Rest in peace, Nipsey. So with that being said, we got some juicy topics tonight, and I'm so excited for tonight's show. I'm so glad we have
before we get into our topic, I know this is some random shit, but really, Jesse is back on Empire?
Yeah.
He got acquitted of all charges.
The cases are dropped. Yeah, he's back on Empire. And like Taraji said,
no,
I wrote to him that
he was being
truthful.
truthful.
I heard Taraji did it wrong.
No, the interview she just did the other day is saying that she's been dealing with Jesse behind closed doors, and she knew he was coming back. She's the one that announced he was coming back to Empire.
But honestly, I mean, they dropped all charges. What can you do? He is innocent.
So then, what is he innocent of?
He's innocent for
He's
not lying.
innocent of the false. They arrested him for lying on doing a federal.
So they're really okay. So I thought they found that there were really two people he paid to do this.
Yeah, they talked to the Africans and everything, but they still couldn't prove that he lied.
That he
So
set that
were the
up.
actors real? The two guys that he hired?
We don't know.
We don't know.
Only thing we know
At
is
this point, the charges are dropped. They couldn't
That's
prove
it.
that the nigga lied and it blew up. Like they said, they arrested him federal charges for lying.
Shit doesn't make sense to me.
I mean, honestly, do I believe it? I mean, I don't know.
I don't know.
All this shit just sounds real fishy, so I don't really know. But I mean, if you innocent and the charges are dropped, then I can.
But that just goes to show. Look how we was on Jesse's ass for a whole week, and now his name was not even brought up anymore. Look how they did R. Kelly. They asked this nigga for a week and a half straight, and now no one's talking about R. Kelly. This shit being so temporary with these celebrities and social media situations. Literally, motherfuckers be going on this shit for about a week strong. Something else happened, you don't hear shit else about this shit no more.
That's just the social media era. It's just like music. Nothing stays hot for long. It's just on to the next topic.
Literally about a week.
Next week it'll be something else. Like who knows? That's just part of the shit. But I mean, kudos to you, Jesse. I guess you got the job.
Blue Hearts.
Yeah, shout out to the Blue Hearts too. But
I see you, girl. I see you.
So, who's gonna do the honors tonight and dip in our amazing topic book?
No, I also want to say, fuck you, Kodak Black.
You know what? I didn't want to bring it up.
You ain't suck a black dick, Kodak Black.
No,
That's disrespectful, bro.
You're disrespectful. So should we mute Kodak Black or should we keep it moving?
Well, I don't really fuck with Kodak like that
I do
anyway.
like a couple of his songs.
I do too.
I fuck with him like that.
I think I'll mute him.
So,
I just think
yeah.
you just don't. Maybe you just don't know no better. Maybe
I don't fuck with him like that.
Maybe you just don't.
But he young. What you expect from a little young man?
Look at all these little young niggas who act like him. So I mean, I'm not surprised.
Well, I'm surprised that you would even think that she would even want your bitch ass, even if she Nipsey hadn't passed. Why would she think twice about
Ew,
you?
a Kodak Black.
You're sick.
Ew, you're sick.
Yeah.
You're sick. You're like a little booger. Just flip you.
He looks like a roach.
Y'all know what? I saw him one the other day when he was skinny. He looks so different.
Yes.
When he was skinny, he looks so.
He needs a haircut. He looks so handsome with the haircut. And
Yeah.
he looks handsome with the haircut.
Oh, when he was skinny, he still wasn't cute.
He looks handsome with the haircut, and when he take them gold out his mouth, he looks like a decent young man.
Ew.
Don't they all?
Don't they all?
Don't they all?
So,
Fuck you, Kodak
with
Black.
that being said, we're going into the first topic of tonight's show. So who's ready?
Okay. So
let's
before
go
we
on.
even get started with our topic, I do have a question for you ladies. I want to know, what is your opinion of good dick energy? Like, what's your meaning of it?
Okay. Good dick energy, I can sense it. I sense good dick energy because that nigga's, for one, he's gonna be very confident. He's gonna be confident in himself. He's not gonna really be, sweating the scenes. Then he's gonna have a certain walk about himself. Good dick walks a certain way. It swings a certain way.
There's such a smile on that.
Good dick energy, good dick
You need
energy,
to
good dick
chill.
energy, good dick energy. It's also getting me smell good. He smells good. And those are just a couple of signs of a nigga with some good dick. And also, he has big hands.
Now,
big hands and he has stamina.
Ooh, you know all that about Next person's definition.
Well, how you gonna know if we...
What's your definition?
My definition is, it's an aura.
Ooh,
It's a vibe that he has when I'm in his presence that lets me know that he can fuck the shit out of me. It's sometimes when you with a nigga, especially if you're really attracted to that nigga, some niggas can just give you a vibe of his calmness, his confidence, how he carries himself, how he sits, his hands. There's so many things about a nigga that has a big dick and that can fuck the, and when I say good dick energy, I mean big dick can fuck the shit out of me.
But you have to be a big dick to fuck the shit out of you now.
Well, I would prefer a big dick.
Facts.
I would, facts. Facts. But another fact is, I would prefer a big link that could fuck the shit out of me too.
Ooh.
So with that being said, when I say good dick energy, I'm praying for girth and width and length to go along with those strokes. But it's an aura, it's a vibe that he just gives me that makes me feel like, oh my God. You know,
the way he talks.
the way he talks. Ladies, have y'all never been around a nigga and he's just like, you just thinking like, I want to fuck the shit out of this nigga. That's some niggas that make you feel like that. To me, that's considered good dick energy. Every nigga don't give me that vibe.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
it doesn't even have to do with attraction. Because he don't even have to be that good looking for me to be like, I want to fuck the shit out of him. So ladies, K-Lou.
I agree with all y'all answers. For me, it's a vibe, it's an aura, it's a walk, it's all that in one. Like, if you just got that walk, you got that. I don't like when niggas brag about their dicks either. Niggas who do that, you ain't really got nothing going on. But niggas who just got that confidence, just grabbing on you, doing all that, them hands.
That confidence.
Like,
A nigga
I can
with
fuck
good
you
dick
up,
is
basically.
confident.
Don't get it twisted, bitch. You can get fucked up. Okay?
A nigga with good dick acts like me.
Have y'all ever had a nigga that you thought that dick was gonna be whack because he did not have good dick energy, but that nigga fucked the shit out of you and you was not expecting it?
You know what?
Followers!
Ooh,
I've experienced that before, but you know what? I still didn't like call him because it was like the energy wasn't there. I need that energy.
So the dick was there, but the energy wasn't there.
I need that energy.
I mean, that happens sometimes.
Basically, and
The
I
dick
still
was
didn't-
there happen.
But the energy
and
wasn't.
I still didn't want to call you because it was forced conversation. It just wasn't a natural flow.
Like, I just had that sexual connection. And
I
sometimes
like
it
the
be like that.
calorie too.
So do you
I
think
like
good
the calories.
dick energy consists of having a vibe more than
Yeah,
just
you
sexual?
definitely have to have a vibe. That's required.
I think it's definitely
More than
a
just a
vibe.
sexual vibe?
You definitely that's a vibe.
Because that vibe is gonna get me in the vibe, and we're both gonna get in the vibe, and then next thing you
Exactly.
know, we're on the vibe.
And
It's
Nike
tight.
Pussy tight.
It's nice. That's basically how it goes.
So, ladies, with that being said, when's the last time you've been around some good dick energy?
Ooh, somebody said what's good pussy energy.
That's a good question.
Hello, my name is Good Pussy Energy.
I think it's the same thing for a woman. Like,
Do
women
y'all
have
think
that
y'all have
confidence.
good pussy energy?
I
definitely do.
have good.
So
Ain't
when you
nobody
get
gonna be
around
able
a
to
nigga,
spoil me like I got
say-
bad pussy energy.
a nigga can say she has no, but look at some of the things we're naming. Every woman doesn't have that.
That is true.
I feel like
Every woman don't have good pussy energy. I'm sure niggas can vouch for
I'm
that.
sure every woman don't, but E does.
K-Lou does.
And Elle definitely does.
But good pussy energy, I think it's baby, it should show confidence,
She's
your
confident.
vibe,
She
she
don't give a fuck about
everything.
not any other
She
thing.
all the other shit. Like, she's
Don't
coming to
face
bring
her.
it.
Period.
Okay? All the
just-
other bullshit.
She just has
walks
sexiness
a
about her.
certain
She
way.
walks. She has sexiness.
She has sex
about her.
appeal.
She has sex appeal.
She has sex appeal.
She makes a
And
nigga
some
want
people
her.
are just naturally sexy. I'll give you
I
an
get
example.
told that a
The
lot.
example.
Oh my God.
The example of sex appeal. T.I.'s daughters. You got the young baby who growing up. She's sexy. She just has sex appeal.
Right.
And you have Sonique, who's been grown up. Sonique, you're cute. You're not sexy to me. You're a cute girl.
I hate you for
She's
using
gorgeous. I think she's gorgeous. She has a very eclectic look. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. She's just not sexy. She doesn't give me sexy. She gives me, oh, she's beautiful. She's your model, you know. But her younger sister, she gives me sexy because she just has, it's just in you. Like, look at me.
Sex appeal is just in you.
Sex appeal, for example, be like a Rihanna.
She's just sexy.
No
matter what she can wear a bag.
She can wear a big ass t-shirt
And she's
some
sexy.
she's sexy.
You know when a bitch.
You know, nigga, you know.
But
I
we lost track of the topic because
we did.
Sexy.
Sorry.
It's good pussy, not sexy. A bitch can be sexy and not
then have bad pussy.
We take good pussy into a bitch, take a fucking shit out of you too.
Yeah. Basically.
Yeah. You niggas want that shit too. No, a bitch gonna fuck the dog shit out of them.
Fuck you back.
Exactly.
Niggas like to be fucked back.
When a nigga look at you, can he say whether or not that this bitch gonna fuck the shit out of me when he look at you?
Well, he's not gonna be able to tell anything about me. When niggas don't never expect what they gonna get out of Lil E. No, they don't. They definitely can't tell what they gonna get. I'm very discreet and low key. I'm mellow. I don't like to brag. I just like to hear my congratulations, my thank yous, and I like to hear that.
Look, they got to fuck you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
And you're welcome.
Thank you.
Your life has been blessed.
Thank you. So with that being said, Kay Lou's gonna do the honors for our next topic of the night. Ladies and gentlemen, good dick and good pussy energy.
That's what it's going down tonight.
That's what the vibes are tonight.
Okay, so the first question of the night is, what are side effects of good dick? Or good link for our rest
Side effects of good, the side effects of having good link?
Right.
AKA link is dick. Link dick.
Just in case you missed that earlier.
Okay.
It's link.
The side effects of good dick is, well, I don't know. I guess I can't speak. If I base it based off of me, it's gonna be regular because I'm so prideful. Like I don't believe in blowing niggas up. So I can't really say. But I'll probably be in my feelings though.
I'll probably tell my friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell my friends.
So what is it that you'll tell your friend?
The side effect for me could be maybe I had plans.
Are you gonna be honest with you?
I had plans today.
Oh, so I'll have to read that comment
After
Caleb finished. But yes.
But the side effects for me have maybe been, maybe missing some events that I may have planned for my friends. Sometimes that dick can have you tired.
Side effects definitely will have you
It will have you tired.
your friends.
Neglecting a lot of activity. I just can't make it today.
You're gonna neglect
I
work,
just can't.
friends, and family, events.
You know why? I'm still laid up.
I'm laid up.
And I told my friends I was sick.
Fucked.
I was sick.
Period.
I'm on my period.
Ooh, that's disgusting.
Some side effects for me. This is hard.
Oh my god.
Side effects. I'm definitely going to be expecting to conversate with you a little bit more than I was previously. I'm definitely going to want that dick on a more consistent basis. It's definitely wouldn't be a one and done with me. I'm definitely going to want that dick a lot and expect to conversate with you a lot and want to suck that dick a lot and do everything
a
with
lot.
it if it's that damn good. Because sometimes, that dick can have you out of there. Ladies, do we agree? My ratchet.
What's some side effects that sex have, men or women? Like, what kind of effects would be having on you? You be out of
You
there?
know what? But with niggas, it be different because they just be fucking.
They do.
Niggas just be fucking.
They do.
They go crazy on the
Yeah,
the bitch can fuck
They
the
not
daylight
gonna
out of
admit.
you.
They not.
I'm not front.
Niggas just like, they got a category. Okay, this my good pussy bitch.
Right.
This my regular pussy bitch.
Right.
This my dick sucking bitch.
Right.
This
That's
my
true.
dick sucking in for good
That's my
pussy
freaky hoe.
Yeah.
And that's my freaky. If I just ain't got nobody to hit, this a good pussy bitch.
I'm gonna be a good pussy.
Cause I'm giving you good pussy every time.
I'm gonna give you a good pussy. That's how you gonna get about me. Couple rounds.
Well, you get that and more. Me being a freaky.
Oh, freaky
Well,
girl.
a freak hoe. I mean, a freak girl.
She said it right.
Ooh.
Ooh.
With the 3.
Shout out to
Genesee
with the 3.
With the 3.
With the 3.
Hey, Genesee.
It's the 3 with the 3.
Hey, with the 3. What about followers? Shout out to our followers. Okay, go ahead.
Genesee said, this is back to what is good dick energy? Like what type of nigga? What is your definition?
This is her definition.
A nigga who not selfish in sex will take his time so we enjoy the sex, and then there's a chance where we fuck the shit out of each other in different positions, home and her, in multiple sessions. Good dick energy.
Good dick vibes, energy, everything. And she said what she said.
And she
multiple positions, multiple times, multiple everything.
You're not tired.
Period.
Cause that dick has such a vibe, you can't stop. Like y'all never had dick so good, like you
just wanted to go.
You wanted to just go.
Yes.
Like I'm never getting tired.
Have you wanted to do that and then it didn't happen because he couldn't get back up?
Ooh, that's bad dick energy.
That's
You know what? You probably won't get a phone call again because when we're in the midst of fucking, basically when I'm in the midst of fucking you, basically my sex drive it just goes like
Right, of course.
1,000. I can literally fuck you all night.
The better that dick is, the more I can go.
Yeah, I can. I mean, with the exceptions of a few breaks here and there, you know, of course,
Okay.
water breaks, and
water.
you know,
Yeah.
and
I always be thirsty.
Here, butt
that's
naked
about
her.
3 minutes. That's what I'm talking about.
But you can still butt naked her.
But I expect you to get back up and let's do this shit again.
I hate guys who can't get back up.
Like, get that shit back up.
Those be the ones I go get in my car and I place you on block.
Get that shit
And
back
you
up.
never hear from me ever
Get that
again.
shit back
My
up.
nigga, get that shit
Ever.
back
That
up.
shit back up.
And then they act like,
Get that shit
ooh,
back
let me
up.
not. Let me
Get
not
that
get
shit
on
back
this
up.
niggas.
Okay, so this is kind of part of what we already talking about.
Get that shit back up.
Ooh.
Get that shit back up.
Well, and if you have a problem getting it back up, just listen
Get
to
that
this
shit back
song.
up.
Period.
Get that shit back up.
Period.
Get that shit back up.
Period.
Get that shit back up. I said, get that shit back up.
Period.
Get that shit back up.
Quickly.
Get that shit back up.
Now.
Expeditiously.
Hey.
Okay, y'all.
Okay,
So,
next question.
So this is similar to what we already talking about. What's some telltale signs about a man that makes you think the dick may be fire or whack? So it's kind of like what we already talking about that. I mean,
What are some telltale signs? So what are some signs?
ladies, stop looking at guys'
Whack.
shoe size because that's not true anymore. I just want to throw it out there.
Since we already talked
Shoe
about
size is not true.
So what are some signs that it's whack? We didn't discuss what are some signs that it's gonna be whack.
I can kind of tell if the sex gonna be whack just by the foreplay.
if he eats my pussy for the whole fucking 20 minutes before we fuck, his dick is wet.
Before y'all fuck.
Yeah, if you eat pussy too long before we fuck, you got some love.
That is very true.
So do
I
y'all?
know you eating it, but it's like if you down there for too long, I'm like, he either quick, little,
All
or the niggas just fucked up. Period.
Period.
So,
Yeah, I agree with E.
What are some signs you think the dick is gonna be whack? Does he talk a certain way? Does he act a certain way? When y'all chilling together, is it some signs about him that you can like this?
It could be maybe like he caressed me, the way he touched me, like he just
Yeah,
kind
what is
of
that?
giving me that feeling, like that manly feeling. It could be, like I said, the
was it like
foreplay.
this?
Or was it like this?
Ooh,
Ooh, definitely not like
hit
that.
my chin.
Oh,
Sorry.
that means it was.
It wasn't like that. It could also be like I said, the foreplay. Like maybe you don't know how to kiss on me, like,
Yeah.
ugh.
Sometimes teeth.
Stanky ass breath.
Go get that shit clean, bruh.
Dusty go.
I don't even mind a nigga with a grill. I ain't even gonna care. But if your shit permanent, my nigga, and no offense to my gold teeth brothers, go get your shit clean, bruh. Y'all been having a permanent grill since '99. Go get that shit clean.
Just
You
right.
niggas is 39, damn near 40 years old, walking around with rotten ass teeth just to have permanent goals. It's caked up. It's caked in between. Go get it clean.
That is such a turn.
But you know what? The hood niggas, they don't have insurance. They have never been to the dentist. They got that shit at 99 and they never been back to the dentist. I don't want to kiss you, bro.
I don't want to hear it, bro.
Fuck out my face, stanky booty breath ass, booty hole breath, nigga. That shit stank.
Period.
And that's on my soul.
Period. So that's definitely some signs of some
If you have bad teeth,
Stay away from me, fuck me hoes.
No, me too.
No,
Me hoes to my
I'm
right.
good. I would rather you have a mouthpiece you can take out.
And even
And
then,
at this age, why do you
And
have
clean
a
it.
full of permanent gold?
Clean it.
they had that shit since 99.
Okay, but get that shit removed, my nigga.
Are you
You
kidding?
40.
They
Stop
said
it.
they gonna drop after that
Nasty.
shit.
Drop down.
They not.
Drop
That
out.
shit is cool.
Everybody wants pretty teeth.
Drop out.
Some of these niggas is now, but these niggas, these hood niggas around here, them niggas ain't
Like
drop that
fucking shit gone.
Yeah, the rap niggas end up doing that shit, but
Of course.
hood niggas around
Big
here.
ass teeth.
What's some other signs?
Then they go get them big ass teeth.
Big rapper teeth.
So definitely, bad breath and goals. Foreplay. I hate all that kissing and you sloppy kissing
And I
and it's
hate
just.
Have y'all ever had a nigga slurp in y'all ear like this?
Oh, you know what's my bad?
Bitch,
I hate when a nigga lick on my ear. That shit is nasty.
When I had a nigga licking my ear but slurp while he doing it like this.
Why you
Bitch,
doing
I'm gonna
that?
hit you, hoe. Get the
Bitch,
fuck
you
out.
need wax. You sick. Why do you want your
I
teeth in
hate that.
somebody's ear?
That's disgusting.
If you watching this show to the nigga who did it, bruh,
Bro, that's disgusting.
It's nasty.
you know now I don't like that shit,
I do
fam.
not like that either, period. I don't
That
like
shit
my
is
ear being
annoying.
kissed
Look,
on.
I be wanna do like this.
How you trying to do this?
That's
And you like, okay, damn. I gave you a
And
hand,
the
bro.
bitch be doing all this. Bitch be doing that.
Son, hey, son. God damn. Nigga, no.
Bitch be doing this. Doing this. Nigga to stop.
Next time a nigga do that, I'm just gonna say, baby, how that wax taste?
I know you taste it.
I know you taste that.
I know.
I didn't clean my ears
It's been a
today,
couple of
so-
days. And they're draining.
Oh, they are draining.
They are draining.
Y'all are sick.
So I didn't tell you to do that. That don't turn me on. So no, don't do that. It's not cute. It's childish.
That's disgusting. And don't kiss me after you done licked it on your damn ear.
I don't want to taste that shit.
Back the fuck back.
Oh, this never mind. Fuck her home.
Bye.
Bye. I'm
This is not
done.
gonna work.
It's
I
not
know
gonna
damn well y'all ain't gonna make that nigga leave out. He's slurping that ear. Let's keep it hot on this show. Y'all put that nigga
Is
after
it
down.
before or after his pants drop?
If his pants dropped in that big and he get the slurping. If
He can
don't,
slurp.
Oh, he's slapping on that pussy.
Whatever you want.
If he's slapping on
Slurp wherever you want, baby. That's
Well, if he's slapping on pussy, he not going. He has to finish his job.
if he's slurping in that ear and that pussy.
If
will
he's
be
slurping
okay.
pussy, he has to finish his job. And that's
Okay.
and his
That's
job
on period.
his job is when I climax. That's when you finish your duty. And you can go home.
He done slurped in that ear though.
Have y'all left a gossip head and put a nigga out?
I haven't.
I have.
I have to.
No respect. Y'all ain't niggas.
But to
No
my
respect for
defense,
you, how
to my
ass.
defense,
Why?
okay, this is a long time ago.
That nigga.
Me and this person already had tried to do the do,
Yeah.
and I realized it was boo boo, but he had good head, so I didn't tell him that. And when he came over next time, that's what he wanted to do. That's cool. I'm not in the mood to fuck right now no more.
The nigga who I made, well, I ain't make him do it, but he really wanted to fuck. I definitely wanted to fuck him. His breath was stinking. I shouldn't let him eat my pussy either. His breath was stinking. But I did get some head. After he got some head, I mean, after I got some head, he had to go.
I recall I got head from a nigga. I felt on his dick. It was small. I made him finger me, busted a nut, and he had to go.
And I didn't just kick him out. I made up, some bullshit.
Me too. I said I had to go.
I didn't even say that.
He gotta go.
Oh, I know that made nigga mad. No, he was about to do something.
Bitch, you done busted on me, how? And you think I'm finna dip?
They quit. Oh, hey, what time is it? What time is it? I gotta go pick up my sister.
That's fucked up, bruh.
That is fucked up.
Then I gotta go pick up my little girl.
Bitch, what? Come on, pick up your bitch. You ain't going nowhere.
That is messed up.
She at the zoo.
It is messed up.
That is fucked. Yeah,
Fuck them niggas.
Niggas do the same thing.
No,
You have a
niggas.
girl come out there and give you head, and then she leaves. You make her leave.
And then she has some dry
Have y'all
ass,
never been made?
stretched out ass.
Have a nigga ever made y'all leave?
Hell
No.
no. I've never been asked to leave.
When I got done, I left.
Niggas actually
Not make
stay.
me leave.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
No,
I'm done.
I fucked and left immediately, and the nigga was looking at me crazy.
I got my stuff.
I got my face, and I left.
Thank you. And I see
Thank you, and I'll see you again.
Why?
And you know who you are because you felt some kind of way. But it's happened a few.
It's definitely. Never mind. Anyways,
You know what that means. Number minute. Out here.
okay, so we've been talking about Big D energy. We do have a Ratchet question for tonight. One of our Ratchet listeners sent us a question. She wants us our opinion on something that's going on in her life.
So this is our Ratchet question of the night. Shout out our follower.
Oh, why did I forget her name here?
Where's our follower's question?
Sorry, it's right here. Okay.
Shout out our follower.
You know what? I'm not even gonna put you out there, but you know who it is because I'm reading what you said.
And she's watching the
She's
course.
definitely watching. So what she said was, she said, so I've been in this situationship with this guy for 2.5 years now. He made it very clear he didn't want to be in a relationship. Cool. But the thing is, he wants to talk every day. He wants to come chill. He wants to be there all the time. But the problem is, I don't want that. I think I want to enjoy being single without feeling pressure to communicate with you every day or feeling obligated to make time to see you. Now again, it has been going on 2.5 years. But now it's kind of to the point where I don't want to answer my phone some days and not be a bitch at the same time. I don't think it's fair to ghost him after this time. What should I do?
That energy. The good dick is there, but that energy is faded. So basically,
I'm in this situation.
it's time to move on, baby. It's been 2 years.
It's 2.5
It's
years.
2.5 years, baby girl. I would say, if you haven't got any results, any changes now, it probably ain't gonna happen. And the longer you stay around, the more time you just gonna waste. You probably gonna block your blessing from your husband, whoever really looking for you.
And I would say this, just coming off a recent experience. I've been fucking with a nigga for 5 years. Matter of fact, 6. And the dick is amazing. That's definitely good dick energy. But now the energy's gone. After all those years, I haven't got anything outside of just a good dick. And so it's to the point to where now the energy is gone. I don't feel like I felt anymore, and it's not a good vibe fucking him. It was a good vibe before, but although the dick is good, that emotion part is lacked, and it doesn't make the sex good. It's enjoyable anymore.
Remember that you set the tone for whatever situation y'all got going on. You set that tone. So he's continuing for 2.5 years based on what you've allowed, what you set your standards for him to be. So just consider that.
And
you
have
can
a
make shit
conversation.
change whenever you're ready to.
I agree with what they're saying.
Whenever you're ready for that nigga to upgrade, if
To
he
step
really
up.
fucking with you,
Right.
you
He
can
gonna
make
do
that
it.
shit happen.
Because honestly, right now, he's in a comfort stage. You have
You
made
can make
him
that shit
comfortable to do what he's doing now. So the only way it's going to end is if you step up and be like,
So,
look,
but
I'm not
he
doing this no
He
more.
did make it clear that he was not ready to be in a
Right.
relationship.
And you made it comfortable for y'all to be okay in that situationship. So now
Yeah,
it's
and when you
it's normal.
When you continue after he told you that, you basically said, okay,
I'm cool with
you're
that.
not ready to be in a relationship.
But we can still fucking kick
You basically said, okay, when you continue. After he acknowledged, I'm not ready to be in a relationship. And that's another thing, ladies. You start listening to these men, start asking questions.
They tell you.
And ask questions. Like, you may be really looking for a nigga or some shit like that, but ask that nigga is he looking for that. Don't be selfish and assume that he want the same thing.
Or that it might change later, like I put this time in, or I do this, like
even with this situation, if you've been fucking this nigga for 2.5 years, it's to a point to where if it's getting, you don't want to be obligated to this nigga anymore. It's time to have a conversation.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be having a question if you should be ducking and dodging this nigga. Sit that nigga down, have a conversation with him. I'm gonna fuck you when I want to. If you pick up, cool. If you don't, I'm not tripping, vice versa.
But I'm not obligated to you.
But at the same time, I don't have to always pick up when you call. I don't always have to feel like I
set
gotta
expectations.
make time for you, because at this point, it's what's understood doesn't have to be explained. Yeah, we fuck with each other, but me and you are not on a relationship status or even trying to go there. So I fuck with you when I fuck with you. You fuck with me when you fuck with me.
Exactly.
And if we fuck with other people, that's what we do. Period.
I agree.
It just comes down to communication. Like,
I
you have to talk.
Have a conversation.
You have to have a conversation and let him know, shit, I'm not about to be doing this.
Yeah, I holler at you when I do, bro.
Right, and that's it. I'm not obligated to you. Oh, you know, you have to ask no questions. Don't worry about the fuck I'm doing.
If I don't pick up, I don't pick up.
That happens when you secure with yourself.
Exactly.
Like, when you good with yourself, all the way 100, it's like, okay, you accept the fact this nigga don't want to fuck with me. Okay, it's nothing wrong with me. This particular guy don't want me. That's okay. Move on. You know, don't let that ruin your day, fuck you up, you having a bad day, you can't.
And ladies, that's where we go wrong.
Yeah.
We feel like if one guy doesn't give us what we want, maybe we just really was into him and he didn't give us the same to us in return, and maybe he just don't want you.
Right.
Period. That's okay.
I look at it like
he don't want you. You never know.
Better than me, and I'm gonna get something better than him.
And how do you know when you meet him, he is not in that wifey mode, and it could be some things about you automatically that he like, no, that's not some things I would want in my wife. And we have to understand that I already know some ways about me that have to be like, you know, But then another nigga eyes, that could be perfect. So you just never know. You can't be down on yourself because one nigga that you really want probably don't want you the same.
And that's so true. Like,
there's a lot of niggas that really want me, but I don't feel the same way. And
you just have to be able to accept that shit.
Good enough for him.
And that's what it is. Like, that's it.
But when you're confident with who you is, you don't even worry about
it. Because what's for you, it's for you.
That's
what ain't for you, it ain't for you.
My approach is, in my mind, I feel like I'm the catch. Like, if a nigga find me and I like him, I find, interest in him, like, he's the lucky, we both lucky, of course, to find good things, but I feel like I'm the catch because I know what I come with.
And you should feel like that.
My baggage isn't horrible. Of course I have some, but it's not horrible. But I'm pretty confident in myself. I feel like I'm a catch. So shit, I'm not gonna sweat a nigga who tripping.
But yeah, that's our advice for you. Girl, have a conversation with him. Let him know how you feel.
It's no combo necessary.
And don't let it carry on.
He's not looking for a relationship. So it's really
tell him you done. Right.
If you want to bring that back up, just go ahead and go on. Y'all don't have any obligations to each other.
Just let that nigga know you ain't gotta pick up and be available when he wants you to be.
You don't even have to let him know. You don't owe any explanations. Move on. Just if you see another nigga at the Walmart tonight, give him your number. Entertain him. He'll entertain you.
That's true.
And whatever you and that nigga been doing, just let it be. We don't change shit without him knowing. Y'all been fucking around. Y'all been doing this. Let it stay that's the same. Now you want to change. You expect him to know. He can't reach him out.
Yep.
So shit, do what y'all been doing. Don't expect him to change because you feel like it's been 2 years. Shit, that's what you've been accepting.
Well, at this point,
we all guilty of it. I know I am, honey. I am guilty.
Well,
we've all been there. That's why
you need to read these comments.
That's why we can relate or whatever.
I can't see.
It's hard. But I mean, it is what it is. Those are facts. So with that being said, we are coming to the end of our show, guys. What do y'all think of tonight's show? Good dick energy, bad dick energy?
One of our listeners follows us like, reality is a fucking relationship is still a relationship. Be a fucking one. That's true. Very true.
I agree.
If you're not in a relationship, you're single.
But that needs to be established between
Right.
both people. But I agree with you.
Just conversations need to be had.
Yeah.
And it is. And even if multiple conversations need to be had, this should be never in the point to where you feel like you gotta hold back or like not do what it is you really want to do because of what they might think. Fuck them.
Right.
Fuck
Do you, boo. Do you.
So y'all let us know what y'all think of tonight's show. Good dick energy, the feels, the vibes, what is or what's not. Good pussy energy. Fellas, I know y'all watch.
And if y'all have a question or something y'all want to ask us, please DM us or, send us a question. We can talk about it next week and in our show like we did tonight. So, thank y'all for joining us tonight. We always end with our Ratchet cheer, and then we're going to end with a Ratchet song.
Okay.
So, all of my followers, if you want to do the cheer with us, put your hand claps in the comments and let us know you fucking with it. 1, 2, 3. If you ratchet, then you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet, then you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet, then you know it, then your bitch will surely show it. If you ratchet, then you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. Clap your ass.
Hey, hey,
Clap
hey.
your ass, clap your ass, clap your ass. And that's how we gonna go out to tonight's motherfucking show.
Hey.
My Ratchets! Thank y'all so much for tuning in.
Our Ratchet song for tonight. We're going to end with Nipsey. Turn up, celebrate, live life, enjoy life, and
Live life, enjoy life. RP, my nigga Nipsey. Thank you to all of my followers.